What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I just woke up from a great nap. You feel me? Like, I needed that nap right there. But earlier today, man, I was scrolling through YouTube earlier today, and I was like, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna react to, or something. Like, I need to bring something else to the channel, better content, because I don't want to just be no reaction channel. You feel me? Like, everybody on YouTube, just about 90% of YouTube does all that and everything, and then like I sort of kind of like went my own direction in reaction videos, sort of kind of just like mainly reacting to just about like female rappers, female singers, and all that stuff. I feel like, because I feel like females don't get enough credit, don't get the credit that they need and everything, and they just now starting to get all the credit and looks that they should have been getting and everything. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section on what else I can do, you know, for me, what else I can bring to the channel, how I can produce better content for y'all and everything. But today, man, we got Bhad Bhabie featuring Lil Yachty. Hey, if y'all don't know Bhad Bhabie, like, my first reaction video, well, I don't think it's my first reaction video, but Bhad Bhabie, when I first started reacting to Bhad Bhabie songs, that's what really blew my channel up to where it is now, to 152 subscribers. So, but, and other videos, of course, but anyways, man, Bhad Bhabie featuring Lil Yachty, Gucci Flip Flops. I'm ready to listen to it. You feel me? I like the little cover of it too, but I'm ready to listen to it, man. You feel me? If y'all ready, I'm ready, man. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. You feel me? Hit that play button. Like the beat.
Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off for the clock. Pull the six out, winter time, dropping the top. Give it to that pussy,
started out hot.
Shit up a notch. Gucci flip flops, make a kick rock. It's a big clock. Check the wristwatch. It's a big watch, diamonds dripping off for the clock. Bad baby, got the bitches busting for cash. Do the dash, try to play me, bitch, I'm busting your ass. All the gun sounds, rolling bust down. Why these bitches mad? Cause they trash and they fucking for cash. Too official, blow the whistle, bitch, I'm fly as a bird. Take a picture, get your issue. Walk in the bank, fuck it up, poking that bitch with a shank. Fuck it up, I'm about to look at your bag, make a double back and clap a tab. Gucci flip flops, fuck it, get your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off for the clock.
If she write her own lyrics, or whoever write her lyrics for her, keep it up, bro. That's all I gotta say. Keep it up.
Make a kick rock. It's a big clock. Shake the
Wrong.
wrist
That's all I
watch.
can say is wrong. But the way she delivers it is wrong.
It's a big watch. Diamonds dripping off for the clock.
I got big guap, pussy young, real rich. 6 cars, 2 houses, and I'm still rich. But we cool, I ain't worried about your little bitch, nigga. That little chain that you rockin', that's so little to me. Talking shit but want a verse, that's a riddle to me. Cut for the bitch if she got a virginity, cause then she gon' really be in me. Take the on my road for the enemies. Put a few holes in his kidney.
Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch,
I like that hook.
Pull the six out, winter time, dropping the top. Give it to that pussy ass, turn this shit up a notch. Gucci flip flops, make a kick rock. It's a big clock, check the wristwatch. Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off for the clock.
Hey, that is raw. Y'all listen. So thoughts on the song and everything, man. Look, the song was lit, fire, all the above, everything that expresses good. Yachty's part was okay. You feel me? I don't listen to Yachty because Yachty just kills me. He kills me, like, but he was straight in this though. You feel me? I mean, Yachty must have stepped it up from the times that I stopped listening to him. Well, I never really listened to him, but forget Yachty, man. I'm here for my girl Bhad Bhabie. I'm here for her. How raw she was on it. The way she started out already killed it. I knew it was gonna be fire. How she started out. Like, yo, I mean, look, if she write her own songs, bro, or whoever write it for her, keep doing what you do. Forget it. I'm giving her the credit for him because I don't know anything of no ghostwriter for her. So look, Bad Baby, keep doing what you do. You feel me? You killing it out here. You killing the game. You feel me? Underrated like hell. Very underrated. You feel me? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. You feel me? Like, let me know what y'all think about the song. Y'all think she could have came harder, or think it was just complete fire all the way through? Let me know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, man. If you like the video, give the videos a thumbs up. And I'm out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.